Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You get reverse parking sensors as well as a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 4,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.